Are you concerned that your CEO may replace you by using generative AI? Then it is high time that you start thinking about how you can replace your CEO with generative AI. Take some action before the upper management starts taking the action. Here, I will look at just that. Generative AI is progressing rapidly. We have been hearing about generative AI matching artificial general intelligence, the human level intelligence. But what is the point in achieving that if it cannot replace very high paying jobs? So, with the O1 preview, let me check whether it can do that or not. So, let me start asking it, please list 10 jobs that pay a salary of more than $10 million a year. Let us see what it says. CEO of a major corporation, that's true. Hedge fund manager, that's certainly true. They get you higher returns and they get paid highly. An investment banker, a managing director or partner level. Professional athlete, it is difficult to replace them. A-list actor or actress, certainly they get paid a lot. Musician or recording artist, again they get paid a lot. Tech entrepreneur or startup founder, well, very few of them. Television personality or talk show host, only if they become popular. Professional sports coach, top level coaches. Best selling author, they certainly do. But as you can see, the number of people in each category is very limited. But let us see, how can each of the above jobs be replaced by generative AI? Let us see what you get. For a CEO, potential AI replacement, generative AI can analyze vast amounts of data to inform strategic decisions, optimize operations, and predict market trends. So it can do a lot of these things. But challenges, the CEO role involves complex leadership tasks, including setting a vision, inspiring employees, and making judgment calls in ambiguous situations, areas where human intuition and emotional intelligence are crucial. So here, generative AI falls short. A hedge fund manager, AI algorithms can execute high frequency trading, analyze market patterns, they can simulate very well and optimize investment portfolios more efficiently than humans. But then, human managers possess intuition and experience to navigate unpredictable market events. Regulatory compliance, ethical considerations also require human oversight. Again, it falls short here, but not by much, because intuition can come from analyzing a lot of data. Investment banker, a managing director or partner level. So it can automate financial modeling, risk assessment, and generate comprehensive reports. It can even match buyers and sellers in mergers and acquisitions by analyzing vast data sets. Then challenges, relationship building, negotiation skills, trust. These are not the qualities that AI can get, right? They are certainly very difficult to replicate. Then a professional athlete, very fat chance of being replaced by AI. The physical prowess, personal stories, live competition. Then unpredictability of human performance. Then A-list actor or actress, can AI replace them? Ethical concerns about consent and authenticity, because they may copy somebody else. The nuanced performances, emotional depth, this certainly cannot be matched by AI. Musician or recording artist, you can compose music, write lyrics, and produce songs, right? But personal experiences and emotions, again, it falls short here because these are deeply human. Tech entrepreneur, market gaps, generate business ideas, and even develop minimal viable products. But challenges, creativity, risk taking, leadership, these are inherently human. Now, television personality or talk show host, maybe a robot can do that, right? But the charisma, the spontaneity, relatability, again, a human trait. Sports coach, they can analyze the performance, strategize game plans, and suggest training regimens based on data analytics. But they also serve as mentors and motivators, building trust and managing team dynamics, again based on human empathy. Best-selling author, generative AI can write articles, stories, and even full-length novels. But originality and expression of uniquely human experiences, those are not easy to come by. So, in summary, while generative AI can perform tasks associated with these high-paying jobs, complete replacement is challenging due to the complex human elements involved. So it excels in some of the things, but creativity, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, interpersonal skills. A human CEO can talk to hundreds of people and get varied experiences. If ChatGPT talks to other ChatGPTs, they will all come from the same experience, same data trained. They don't have varied experiences, which is inherently human. So I did not give up. I asked much more. Give me 10 such jobs that pay high salary but can be replaced by generative AI without the above constraints, and how. Let us see thought for 45 seconds. Remember, O1 preview uses chain of thought prompting, so it thinks. Let us see. So here are 10 high paying jobs that AI can fully take over. Here I did not mention 10 million, so they may not really pay $10 million, but still high paying. Algorithmic hedge fund manager. Well, anything algorithmic, AI can do that. They are analyzing vast amounts of data, market data, executing trades, and optimizing investment strategies without human intervention. But how? They can process real-time financial data, predict market trends using machine learning, and execute high-frequency trades more efficiently than humans. So this I agree, they can do this. Then financial market analyst. Again here they can use deep learning models. They can identify patterns in historical data, and then they can also process all the current and latest news and enable more accurate predictions. So this is possible. Pharmaceutical research scientist. Then they can design novel molecules with desired properties, reducing the time and cost. So this they can do. A radiologist, again analyzing X-rays, MRIs, CT scans with higher accuracy and speed. This is possible, they can do that. Software developer. Well, software developers are not a high paying job if you compare to $10 million in a year. So replacing a software developer doesn't really get you anywhere. But still it says they can generate code snippets or entire programs by understanding programming languages and user intents. But again here, you don't want to bite the hand that feeds you. The software developers are the ones who are developing these AI models, and certainly you don't want to replace them. Music composer for commercials and media. Here it can do. Not for films, but commercials, advertisements, it can certainly do. AI algorithms can generate melodies and harmonies by learning from existing musical pieces and creating new compositions in various styles. Legal document drafter. I don't think these are highly paid, but still it can use natural language processing, which ChatGPT itself is good at. It can understand legal terminology and generate documents that comply with regulations. Then technical writer, again not very highly paid, but they can be replaced because it can analyze the document and it can generate the comprehensive documentation. Financial auditor. Here AI can audit financial statements, detect fraud and ensure compliance with accounting standards. So machine learning can help here, but again human auditors are capable of finding out loopholes in the law and make sure the organization save on taxes and other fees, which the AI may not be able to do. Data analyst. So they can automate data cleaning, analysis, and visualization, delivering actionable insights without human input. Here again, we have machine learning models which can analyze petabytes of data, but feeding those petabytes of data to ChatGPT or even OpenAI agents is not easy. But say it can be done. So these roles involve tasks that are highly data driven and rule based, which is important, making them suitable for automation through generative AI. Then it has a note on high salaries that it is important to mention that salaries exceeding 10 million per year are rare and typically associated with top executives. So these are not many jobs in this category, but eventually AI should be able to replace them, not the low level workers. So in summary, generative AI can fully replace certain high paying jobs that are data intensive. The roles listed are suitable for AI automation without significant constraints related to human creativity, empathy, or ethical judgment. More than these, the human intuition, the human ability to interact, and human ability to be resourceful are very important. I think those are something which cannot be replaced by AI. The transition to AI driven solutions in these areas can lead to increased efficiency and cost savings for organizations. But at what cost? It takes billions of dollars and so much of energy to build these models. Are they really worth it? Again, a disclaimer, while AI technology is advancing rapidly, the implementation of AI replacements involves considerations like ethical implications, regulatory compliance, and potential impacts on employment. This is important because we want AI to generate more employment, not generate unemployment. So we need to figure out how AI can generate more unskilled jobs because there are more people out there without specific skills. My intention is always to see how we can create more such jobs which do not require reskilling or retraining of current employees. So, organizations should weigh these factors carefully when integrating AI into their operations. So, if you are an employee of an organization, think about how your manager or those at a higher level to you can be replaced by AI before they think of how they can replace you with AI. Bye for now and look forward to more such videos on this channel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.